Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce international fees with Xe, complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce international fees with Xe, start by signing up for a free account on the Xe website. During registration, provide the necessary person. Once logged in, navigate to the Send Money section of the dashboard. Enter the amount you wish to send and select the currency you want to convert from into. Xe will display the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Take the time to compare Xe's rates with those of other services. Review the transaction details, including estimated fees and delivery times. If you're satisfied with the rate and fees, proceed by clicking Continue. Next, fill in the recipient's banking information. Confirm all details are correct before finalizing the transaction. Once your payment is initiated, monitor the status of your transfer via your account dashboard. Consider setting up alerts for favorable exchange rates to optimize future transactions. For larger sums, explore Xe's options for better rates on high-value transfers. Using Xe's mobile app can also help you manage your transactions on the go. Take advantage of Xe's customer support when in doubt about your transaction. Review Xe's resources and educational content to stay informed about foreign exchange. Remember that transferring money in larger amounts may help secure better rates. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce international fees while using Xe services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.